Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to delete call history on Snapchat. So first of all, go ahead to your browser and scroll a little bit down right here and scroll a little bit down. If you want to delete call history on Snapchat, what you can do, you could just go ahead into your settings and then basically let me go ahead right here. If you want to delete conversation, you could just go ahead to the settings gear button in the profile screen and open the settings and scroll down and tab clear conversations and then tab the X next to the name to clear conversation. But if you wanted to delete the video calls or something like or voice calls, snaps and chats are private and deleted by default, including videos and video chats between you and your friends, meaning that they don't scan their content to personalize your experience, make recommendations, or show you ads. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.